My name is Julia Haller. I'm an attorney. I've been a litigator for over 20 years. I work in private practice, and I also work with an organization called Defending the Republic. It can be found at defendingtherepublic.org. I'm here today to answer a question. Can an employer mandate a COVID-19 vaccination for an employee to go back to the workplace? The short answer is no. This week there has been some reporting, which I think is misunderstood or may be misunderstood, that suggests, based on updated guidance from the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission this week, dated 5/28/21, that you can mandate as an employer a COVID-19 vaccine. The reason this is mistaken is if you actually go to the guidance itself, which can be found at eeoc.gov, under what you should know about COVID-19 and the ADA and other laws. If you scroll down in this very long document to Section K, you'll see an overview on this issue. What they make clear in this overview is that the EEO laws do not prevent a mandatory COVID-19 vaccination. Well, the EEO laws do not prevent a mandatory employer vaccination is not actually the question. The question is, as they actually make clear above Section K, is that the emergency use authorized vaccines are not licensed vaccines and they do not have jurisdiction on that subject. So there needs to be a clarification. EEO laws deal with Title VII, deal with the ADA, deal with GINA, deal with discrimination laws. And the real question here is, what is the status of the COVID-19 vaccines? You can find a list of licensed vaccines in the United States at FDA.gov. You will see that COVID-19 vaccinations are not on that list. COVID-19 vaccinations are approved or are authorized for use under an emergency use authorization. So then I would refer you to the law that governs emergency use authorizations. It's publicly available. Go to www.lawcornell.edu/US code. But you can also find the citation at defendingtherepublic.org/COVID, or just go to defendingtherepublic.org and you'll see the banner for COVID-19 information. It's very important that people understand the distinction between FDA's jurisdiction and the jurisdiction of the EEOC, which does not relate to emergency use authorized vaccinations. That law is governed by federal law, which allows the use of an unapproved product under certain conditions. Those conditions include the right to informed consent and the option to refuse. So I hope this is helpful. If you have questions, I would contact an attorney. You can reach out to defendingtherepublic.org. Defendingtherepublic.org has a fact sheet with information where you can find these citations so that you can do your own response if someone tries to mandate it, or you can get an attorney to help you. Thank you for your time.